So I just cut it off. And I went ahead and I did like the first couple of lines so that we can go ahead and practice writing. So what I've done so far, like I said, is I have figured out the syllables and I have put how many there are in each of these spots. Cool? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see if there's any rhyming happening. So me and shed does not rhyme, so it's okay. Thumb doesn't rhyme with anything up here either. Forehead rhymes with shed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight each of the things that rhyme. Only look at the last word, but I'm going to highlight the things that rhyme with yellow, sure, or make them yellow text. Just so I know that I have to remember. Sorry, when it's all zoomed in, it's kind of weird. Just so I know that I have to remember that those two words, when I write it, are going to have to rhyme. Okay? So the very next thing here is we're going to try to actually rewrite the lyrics. Okay? Now, I like to keep the lyrics there just because it makes, I don't know, it kind of makes things easier for me. So I'm going to work underneath here. So somebody once told me the world is going to roll me. It has to be 12 syllables, and let's say that I am writing about semicolons as I did with my example video. So I might say something like semicolons, so that's 3. Semicolons is 3, so I have 9 left, I'm sorry. So then the next part is are needed. Semicolons are needed. So I need 5 more syllables to write sentences. Semicolons are needed to write sentences. I have 12. Next, there's not a rhyme in that one, so I'm okay to just move on to a 9-syllable line. And that one's going to need a rhyme, so I can't end with something like orange or something, right? So a 9-syllable line that are compound is 4, so I need 5 more. In nature or in language arts class. Do comma because it's different. And you know what's nice is class rhymes. Oh, whoops. Class rhymes with like a lot of stuff. So that our compound in language arts class is 9 syllables. Good. But remember, that up here was one of the ones that was going to need to rhyme. So, go away, Jack. So, I'm leaving that in there. Gonna make that yellow because it has to match before. The next line. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, next line is 14. That's going to be a harder one. But so, make that go away. So, semicolons are needed to write sentences that are compound in language arts class. We're doing good. 14. They begin with, they begin with an independent clause. They begin with an independent clause and go again. 14. And that one didn't rhyme, so it's okay. They begin with an independent clause and go again. Perfect. They begin with an independent clause and go again. Finally, we're going to need to rhyme with class with a 10-syllable line. I kind of like cash. That might work. Or like last. So maybe I'll do then in a line clause and go again in a line another independent. Oh, wait, no. Doesn't need it to rhyme. Independent. So something you can do here that I kind of want to do is you can do a slant rhyme. Something that rhymes with class would be and. So independent. So it's going to be independent, but it's going to be like ants. That's how we'll say it. So that is how we get our 10, and that's how we get the rhyme. That works for me. Okay, so I'm going to make that yellow. So let's try this. Semicolon. Okay, but like somebody wants semicolons are needed to write sentences that are compound in language arts class. They begin with an independent clause and go again in a line, another independent. So we do it just like that. It takes a while, but there you go. I hope that helps. Let me know if you need anything.